Hi, Paul Giroux, MarineMax, Warwick, Rhode Island here. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about the Sea Ray 190 SLX. Great boat to get out on the bay, a lot of fun with the family. Great boat for skiing, water toys, towing behind the boat, and just getting out there. This boat here is powered by a Mer Cruiser, 4.5, 200 horsepower. We have very easy access to the engine, as well as some storage over here. Generous swim platform, great seat up here for laying out when you're at anchor. And as you can see, the cockpit here has a nice amount of room for a 19-footer. Plenty of storage throughout this boat. I'll show you just a little. Dedicated cooler spot right here, and your batteries are right there. Again, easy access. There is storage underneath all the cushions here, so you have plenty. A small lounger here on your port side can be changed into a seat just by removing this piece, and you can store it in here. We have a nice captain's seat on this, which does swivel and move forward, as well as a pull-up bolster. Fusion stereo, very easy to read controls at the helm station. We have a nice bimini. This can get you out of the sun if you're in the sun for too long. And I'll take a walk up to the bow. We have a nice storage space under here. You can put a lot of what you need, water toys, as well as center line on the floor there for any water toys or skis. Nice seating area up in the bow with 2 Fusion speakers, as well as more storage underneath the seats here, and cup holders. Everything you need to get you, your friends, and your family out on the water and have a great day. And it is a beautiful day to do that right now. If you'd like to learn more or see the boat, please come see me, Paul Giroux, MarineMax, Warwick, Rhode Island. Thank you.